So I'm going to show you how to do this horizon line. And the most difficult thing, but the easiest thing, is how to create that line to follow with the tape. So what we're going to do is, I've just measured up to the fireplace there. I will just mark that with a little bit of chalk, and this is children's chalk, so it's not going to stain the wall.
Yeah.
And then I've got some string. So it's all about the string. So what I want you to do is to pull the chalk across, pull the string across the top of the chalk. So load that string up with coloured chalk.
This is genius.
So what you're doing is you're creating a chalk line. This chalk line is going to give us a line to follow with the tape. So if you do that just a couple of times,
okay,
and it's a pink piece of chalk, so I thought you'd approve.
I really do approve.
Very good.
Is that enough?
Perfect.
More?
That's enough. That's
okay.
Absolutely perfect. So then what we're going to do is just pop a little bit of a knot at the end there. And I'm going to use a little bit of masking tape just to hold that knot in place. And I'm going to line that up with the little mark on the wall that I've done there. Now if you line that up with the top of that, now pull it tight. So pull it tight. And then what I want you to do is to just, so pull it tight with one finger, and then I want you to ping it. So ping it.
You are kidding me. What? This is the greatest idea ever. Am I the only person that doesn't know how to do this?
So then what we do is put the masking tape on the top of the line, because we're going to paint Tranquil Dawn below. And what we're going to do is we're going to seal the bottom of that tape. Now what that does is it stops the paint from creeping up, because you know when you put masking tape on, sometimes it creeps
will bleed up.
Well, the simplest way to stop that is to use the background colour and just seal the bottom of that tape.
That is clever.
So then, when that's dry, we put the Tranquil Dawn on. When we peel it off, it will be perfect.
I'm so in shock. I'm about to go and ping every wall in my house. Bye-bye.